Hi everyone, and welcome to our second lesson in our chapter 9 of our entrepreneurship course. This chapter talking about business operations. We are on lesson 9.2, which is about forecasting sales. So our objective is to discuss methods of forecasting sales to optimize business strategies and make informed decisions based on projected market demand. All right, so let's get started. So sales forecasting. So the definition, first off, is sales forecasting is predicting future sales by analyzing historical data, assessing market trends, and considering other pertinent factors. Now, the importance of sales forecasting. Now, the key point here is that sales forecasting is an essential part of planning for and strategizing in various areas, including production, inventory management, marketing, and resource allocation. All right, so let's talk about some sales forecasting techniques, some methods. Okay, there's time series analysis, market research, and regression analysis. We're going to talk about each one of these individually, starting with time series analysis. Time series analysis involves analyzing historical sales data to identify patterns, trends, and seasonality. And future sales are predicted based on similar patterns observed from the past. For example, when you analyze historical sales data for the past 3 summer seasons, you can apply moving averages of the trend analysis to project future sales based on those observed patterns. All right, next is market research. And market research encompasses collecting data from diverse channels such as surveys, focus groups, customer feedback. It helps us to comprehend consumer behavior, their preferences, and market intricacies. So, for example, when you can conduct surveys and analyze market trends related to outdoor activities and sporting goods. And you can also, this helps in refining your sales forecast based on changing consumer preferences and competitor strategies. Lastly is regression analysis. Now, regression analysis examines the relationship between sales and other variables, such as price, advertising expenditure, and economic indicators. Regression models predict future sales based on the expected value of these variables. For example, you gather data on variables influencing sales like the average temperature and the marketing expenditure. You can then use regression analysis to develop a model predicting sales based on these variables' value. All right, so before we finish up this short lesson, here's a question for you. How could accurately forecasting sales lead to higher profit margins? Well, by doing that, it allows businesses to optimize their inventory, resource allocation, and production, and it helps to minimize inefficiencies and waste, which of course result in higher profits. All right, so that is our lesson 9.2 on sales forecasting, where we discussed methods of sales forecasting to optimize business strategies and make informed decisions based on projected market demand.